Let's have a look at the bow staff. Now, what have you got? You've got a long pole. It's not brain surgery to realise that you could actually hit someone with a long pole. Bow staff is, of course, a Chinese weapon, but let's face it, if you start looking historically, you'll find almost as soon as people start using weapons, we think they used spears fairly early on. If you can pick up a sharp stone, you can fix a sharp stone to the end of your spear. There is, of course, a tradition of quarterstaffs across Europe, and spears work everywhere. So the form we're actually going to introduce you to is unapologetically a bit of a compromise between Chinese and European techniques. So again, it's a long stick. You can hold it in such a way that you can keep your opponent at quite a distance away from you. You can also move in and use it in quite a close way. You've got a lot of area that you can block with. If you think of the size of this, all I've got to do is move it slightly to one side and that will block something over there, move it slightly to the other side and that'll block. So if you think of this as a segment of shield, I can block from here to here. It's quite a big area that I can actually cover. So think of it as a huge shield. Think of it as something not dissimilar to a spear. Think of it as a long staff, and you won't go far wrong. It's a very versatile weapon. I think you'll enjoy it.